In this video, we will learn how to create groups. Go to the Groups tab. Click on the Add icon. Enter the name of the group. Select the background color and the font color. Click on Create. Group has been created. Now in the group, to add the members, click on the Add Member button. Enter multiple email IDs of the members by using comma separate. Now select the permissions which you want to give to the members and click on Add Members. Members has been invited. Now go to the first member's account. Click on the notification. Accept the invitation. Here we have different types of access. First, let's see the full access. Now go to the admin account. Select the group. Beside the member we can find the progress button, click on it. In full access, group admin has access to your complete progress on StudyTorch. Now log in into your second member account. This time accept the invitation with partial access. Now go back to the admin account and click on the progress of the second member account. Here group admin has access to your progress for only this group. Now log in to your third member account. This time accept the invitation with null access. To check this, go back to the admin account. As we can see, there is no progress option as we gave null access.